Did you know? An average person uses 2.5 quintillion bytes of internet per day. That internet, which was used by less than 5% of total world's population in the year 2000. So, that was a simple example to demonstrate the requirements and progress of the most intelligent species we know. There are many energy sources that we know, which are all indirect conversions of the ultimate source of energy, that is, the sun. According to some researchers, the sun delivers more energy to the Earth in an hour than we ever use in a whole year. So, what if we will be able to use maximum, or almost full energy of our star? The answer is, we would be promoted to Type 2 civilization. The civilizations, which uses almost 100% of its star's energy. We can travel to a whole new star, or a galaxy using that energy, and this is just the tip of the iceberg. So, the question is, how could we do that? This was answered by Freeman John Dyson, who did a thought experiment on building a hypothetical megastructure around the sun to harness its huge energy. That hypothetical megastructure was named a Dyson Sphere. But that may not be a good idea, because asteroid crashing on that structure will push it towards the sun, which will then eventually crash into it. So, a better idea is the Dyson swarms, which are satellites, or mirrors, arranged in a beehive-like structure. They will reflect the sun rays to a power generator, similar to a solar thermal power plant, adapted for performing operations in space, will convert this solar energy. But, as they say, great results and great challenges are complementary to each other. The first challenge would be the material provisions to make satellites, or mirror swarms in large numbers. This problem would be solved by setting a simple base on Mercury, as it is also nearest to Sun, demanding less efforts to launch. And metals in Mercury will do the job for materials provision. But, for now, let us suppose somehow we will set the Mercury base. But, how to get the energy to launch the Dyson swarms? This problem would be solved by getting some energy to set a space railgun to launch the first satellite, or mirror swarm, with very very high velocity to the sun. Then, the first satellite launched will harness energy to launch the second. And, then, they both harnessing energy for launching of third and fourth. Following the order, 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16, 16 to 32, and so on, repeating this up to 60 times. Then, we will manage to complete setup to capture the energy of our star, by the hypothetical megastructure, known as the Dyson Sphere or the Dyson Swarm.